YourSecretary.in, making life simpler. Our initial target market are students or youth of age group 19 to 24, and our eventual market would expand into professionals. The competition in information dissemination, we are not really competing. In linking, we have competition from Outlook and Google Calendar. While Outlook is used mainly by professionals and it is not used much in personal space, Google Calendar, on the other hand, does not provide you the feature of linking. The telephonic customer center, there are telephonic customer centers in abroad while the Indian domestic space is not yet tapped. Product, the Android app.
On opening the application, this is the first screen you'll see, which is the login screen. If you don't have an account, you can click here to register. Here, after providing the necessary details, which are your name, your mobile number and your password, and on filling on all these details and on clicking on sign up, you can have an account of your own. On providing the necessary login details and clicking on next, you have successfully logged in and you're taken to the main activity page. Now, the logging in and the registration that took place was via the help of a backend database management system which we have deployed on cloud. Our main activity page has 5 main buttons which are create an event, see new notifications, go to my calendar, my friends and settings. On clicking on create an event, we are taken to the page create event, wherein we can set the title of the event, we can set the location of the event. If we want a personal reminder, then we have to update the alert box, a personal message that has to be sent to the invitees, and we have to select the invitees who have to be sent the necessary event details, the date of the event and the time of the event. On clicking on location box, we see that there are 2 buttons available to us, search and describe. In describe, we can manually describe the location and we can update the location tab, or we can go to search, wherein by the help of Google Maps we can search places near us and we can update the location tab accordingly. The invitee section has to be updated with those names who we want to send the event details to. On clicking on send, all the invitees get the necessary event details. For the app demo, we have updated our own notification box with the event that we created. On clicking on see new notification, we can see that the birthday treat event that we just created has been updated in our very own notification box. Here we have an RSVP option of accept and reject, and we have introduced a new option of maybe. On clicking on accept, the notification that we just accepted will be updated in our very own calendar. Once we go to our calendar, we can see that the calendar has been updated by the event which we accept in our notification tab. On clicking on the very event, we can see the details of the event, who has sent the event, the date, the time, the location of the event. We also have the option of cancelling the event here. On clicking on back, we are taken back to the main activity page.
On clicking on the My Friends button, we can see all the contacts that we have on a phone. People who use the app and people who don't. People who use the app will get an in-app notification when we send them the event details, and people who do not use the app will get an SMS notification regarding the same. On clicking on back, we are taken back to the main activity page. Now, the website demo.
What we have is an app landing page which provides you information about the application. Currently, the app is an Android application and we wish to expand to other platforms like BlackBerry, iOS, and also Windows. On clicking on the features button, entire features of the applications are shown. On clicking on demo, currently the app is an Android, so an Android demo is shown. On clicking on updates, all the updates about the applications are visible here. On clicking on contact, people who visit our website can provide us their feedback.
We'll have an Android app initially to build an initial customer base. For the website would initially be used for app authorization and information dissemination, and it would be developed in the future to include the online services we wish to provide. The search engine optimization would ensure better visibility of the website among customers. The telephonic customer service center that we wish to establish would already have brand recognition via the app and the website. We would wish to popularize it through entrepreneurial networks like Startup Saturday, KillerStartups.com, as well as through social networking and blogging sites. The pricing model. At all points of time, the Android app would be made freely available to everyone, while the advertisements inside the app and also on the website would be charged for depending upon certain conditions such as location, size, etc. The telephonic customer center would be charging a premium for all the services being provided except for the information dissemination. The operational timeline. We wish to have an alpha launch in BITS Pilani soon, followed by a beta launch in colleges across India. In both the alpha and beta launch, we wish to provide customized services which would initially be according to the students. Phase 1 would include database building and website development. Phase 2 would include website launch, and Phase 3 would ultimately end in establishment of telephonic customer service centers and also geographical expansion. The traction. The survey was conducted and demand observed especially amongst the students on campus. The application is currently being tested amongst peers, though no official pilot test run has been conducted yet. We are also about to launch the app among certain groups such as the organizing members of festivals of this college. A website has though been developed to provide information about the application and wherefrom the application can be subsequently downloaded. Our seniors Pranjal Kalra and Sachin Bhardwaj currently serve as our mentors.